We're making a wicked salmon pumpkin puree. Let's get started. We're gonna take 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic. It's gonna be garlic. Miso. So we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of miso, 3 to 4 tablespoons. White miso, 3 tablespoons of miso, and then we're gonna get some honey. So we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of honey. My favorite thing in the world, honey. Now we're gonna mix it all up. It's not easy being green. What was that from? Pink. Ah, Sesame Street. Yeah. It's okay, we're only green for Halloween. It must be hard being green all the time. It gets everywhere. Now we're gonna get our tray. We're gonna put this in the oven. So let's get our tray. We're gonna get our cooking oil. We're gonna just rub it all over so our fish doesn't stick. We'll get our salmon. We're gonna do skin side down, all right? Now we're gonna put our miso soy sauce marinade on top. We're just gonna cook this all over. Now that it's all coated, we're gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes.
2 minutes later.
Okay, now we're gonna roast our pumpkins. Get a baking tray, put some oil on it. We're gonna place our pumpkins flesh side down on the baking tray. So we have 2 different types of pumpkins over here. Got some butternut squash and your regular pumpkins. So we're gonna put that flesh side down on the baking tray. So we're gonna roast this in the oven for 180 degrees for 1 hour.
2 minutes later.
Quick question, why are pumpkins associated with Halloween? I heard of the jack-o'-lantern story, but I don't remember what it was about. I really love the fall because I love pumpkin. It is the best time of the year when everything is pumpkin. It's all pumpkin spice, pumpkin fillings, pumpkin flavor things. It's delicious. I love pumpkin pie as well. Good slice of pumpkin pie. Yeah, that's the highlight of my day. So we're gonna bake the rest as well.
1 hour later.
Look at our pumpkin, it's all shiny and roasted. Now we're gonna make our puree. Okay, now we're gonna take our pumpkins. Ooh, look at that. It's so hot. Get rid of our seeds first. First tray down, second tray to go. Oh. We're losing our pumpkins. Ooh, look at that one. It's very caramelized.
Nice.
Again, we're gonna save the seeds. 0 waste is happening here. Even the skin can be repurposed. Slice that up, candy it, put some sugar, and you can make candy. We're gonna take our roasted pumpkin and we're gonna scoop it. Scoop out all the flesh. Now we're gonna puree our pumpkin. We're gonna add some cream, about 1/2 cup of cream. We're gonna add also 1/2 cup of stock. We're just gonna toss some salt. Okay, just some salt. Now our puree is done. Ready to plate. Okay. And soft. So delicious and creamy. And then we're gonna add our salmon here. Add our salmon. Miso flavor. Yeah. And we're gonna top it with some dill. Now that's a wickedly good salmon dish. Oh. Now that is something good. Mmm. Salmon and pumpkin. This is a great fall dinner. Great for your fancy Halloween party. You should make some. Till next time. Toodles.